Let's go, bro. Keep going. Smack. GP2. Set my stop loss to 7.5. On GJ, take this position here. Let's do a breakdown. Right, find it. Alright, let's do a breakdown. Alright, we're gonna start off on the 1 hour time frame. This was yesterday's position. It's gonna bar reposition actually before I take the sell. Alright. This was yesterday's position, right? Took the sell yesterday, boom. Nice little trade, boom. Right. So we had a breakout below these previous lows, tapping into this level of support, right? We break off this levels of support to the pullback, find a resistance here, right? Once I see we found resistance, easy dragging back fib, bro. Dragging back fib, rejection up to 618 golden zone. I waited for the break. My entry was initially supposed to wait until we have a big rejection wick right here and take the sell, but break below these lows right here, like this, right? That's the same trade I took right here. Like as you can see, we formed support, resistance. Once I see we form resistance, waited for the next candlestick to create a top wicket and break the previous candlestick lows. So that's what I'm supposed to wait for right here, right? But unfortunately, I didn't get in there because this was too aggressive, right? I don't want to get in on this big aggressive ass candle, right? So what I waited for a close of this candlestick, then for a top wick to form and enter there with a 15 pip stop loss, right? So now we dodged this little consolidation area because this was actually a range. I was just going to trade to the bottom of the range, right? But now we broke through this range, then we entered a smaller range. This was actually been a better trade, breaking this candlestick lows, but I didn't take that. So just gonna focus on what I did take, right? So we closed below this level of resistance, support, making it new resistance. And then you see we have traffic to the left hand side here. It had a lot of consolidation range, but if you go in the higher time frames, as you can see, it's less traffic. We still have this form of support here, but this support is just this level here. This is the actual rejection, not this, right? So I was looking at price still could potentially come down to tap into this, right? Even though that is still a small range, not really a valuable range to trade in. This was in the risky sales area, but as you can see on the 4 hour time frame, we still have a lot of balance to form in the market, right? Our previous high structure was here, previous higher low structure was here. We still have to do a correction of this whole bullish move, right? So I wasn't worrying about this little 4 hour doji because I just knew all of that range was just a 4 hour doji, right? So I wasn't really worrying about that because this 4 hour doji, people will look at this like an order block, right? Smart money concept traders will look at this as an order block, but this wouldn't necessarily be a valid order block because we didn't break highs off of this doji candle, right? So that's why I was really focused on this consolidation in this range here, right? And as you can see, yeah, this was the consolidation range I was trading in, this right here. But it looks pretty clean on the higher time frames. As you see, 2 hour, just wicks. But it's just wick fills, right? So I wasn't really worried about this range, even though this was the risky sales area. I was looking to target down here. I knew price could have played around within this area before selling off to where I wanted it to go. I was willing to be within the trade while we in this range, but we didn't. Like you sit in the range, we ended up keep selling off. So what I waited for was the top wick to form. Boom. Right, this was the candlestick. Once the 30-minute candlestick flipped bearish, I took my sell entry here on the body of the previous candlestick close. My stop loss just above the current 30-minute wick with a 50 pip stop loss. Experienced some drawdown here. Right here was some drawdown, but as you can see, price did end up running in my favor all the way down here. So I did experience some drawdown right here for a couple minutes, like 15-20 minutes. Right, but price did. Right, so I see these. Sorry about that. GJ, let's get into GU. The GU